Hello guys, welcome back to NM, your one-stop edtech tutorial. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's tutorial, we are going to see some job opportunities are there from Airtel, Google and Wipro. They are hiring the IT professional across India. The companies are looking for candidate who belongs to the engineering background. Engineering background students can apply and can use the experience to take the process to the next level. Here are all the details. So let's see first. Let me mention Airtel and Wipro are seeing for experienced professional for minimum 3 to 5 years, but in Google, freshers can apply. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Hit subscribe and click on the bell icon. Starting from Airtel, Airtel is looking for information security ops. Location is Noida. Experience is required for minimum of 3 to 5 years. If you get hired, the job responsibilities will be EDR, XDR like Palo Alto Cortex, SentLine 1 and CrowdStrike etc. Semantic endpoint protection, and you must have experience in semantic, XDR, EDR implementation. WIPS and DLP is also required, and also if you are skilled in SIEM like Quadra, Splunk and ArcSight, then you can apply. Apply here button, the link will be in description. Once you click the apply here button, you will redirect Airtel career portal. Here you can see all the information which I have told you. Once you click the apply now button, you will see the apply for this job role. For this you have to provide the information like name, your LinkedIn URL, email address and phone number, and upload your resume and you can apply. These are only the few steps you need to follow. The next update is from Google. Here you can see the customer engineer, data management specialist and Google Cloud at Google. Location is Mumbai and Bangalore. These are the two locations given. In Google, freshers are also eligible, experience are also eligible. I will tell you later in the video as we will go through the video. Qualification required is the experience with the data mining strategies, bachelor degree in computer science related technical field or equivalent practical experience. If you are from a CSIT background or you know some of the analytics skill or cloud skill, then you can surely apply. Experience in database technologies like Oracle, IBM, DB2, MySQL or other relevant technologies and other knowledge of database administration techniques. Experience serving in the capacity of a technical sales engineer in the cloud computing environment, equivalent customer facing role. Strong experience with optimizing database performance concerning translational and or analytic workload. These are some of the qualifications for your application. Once you get hired, your responsibilities will be as follows, like work with the customer to demonstrate and prototype Google Cloud product, integration in customer partner environments, work with the team to identify and qualify the business opportunities, identify key customer technical objections, share in-depth storage and database expertise to support the technical relationship with Google customers. So these will be some of the responsibilities once you get hired. The apply here link will be in description. From apply here button, you are redirected to Google career. Here you can see the customer engineer data management specialist Google Cloud. Location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, Bangalore, Karnataka. Here you can click the apply button. The apply button will redirect you to the form. You have to select the resume file. You have to upload all your contact details. Select the country, highest education. If you have work experience, then select on the yes. If you are fresher, then select the no button, and so on. You can apply. The next thing is coming out from Wipro, that is the data stage developer at Wipro. Location is Hyderabad. Skills required to apply in Wipro are: you should have in-depth knowledge at least one development technology or any programming language. C, C++, C Hash, Java, Python. They have not mentioned any such language, but you should have hands-on experience on any one of the language, as they have mentioned one development technology or programming language. You will be responsible for development, support, maintenance and implementation of a complex project module. You should have good experience in application of standard software development principle. Should be able to coach, guide and mentor junior members in the team. You should have the leadership quality, and minimum work experience is of 3 to 5 years. That is required. You should also be able to work as an independent team member capable of applying judgment to the plan and execute your task. These are some of the skills required. Apply button for Wipro also will be in the description. Go ahead and check out. Once you click the apply button, you will be redirected to the Wipro site. Here you can see the data stage developer. Location is Hyderabad, India. Category is tech hiring. Here is the apply button. If you want to read the job description, here also the job description is also given. On Wipro page, here you have to enter the email address, accept all the privacy policy, read all this information if you want, and hit the next button and apply for the job. If you like the video, hit like and do subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the